Morning, Emma.
Morning.
Where are we this morning? Denny's.
This will be the last time we do it.
Yeah, so thought might as well do it because obviously it's our last full day, unfortunately. So we're starting the day off right with a lovely Denny's coffee, and then the lovely waitress brought some normal creamer, but she also brought some French vanilla, so we're going to treat ourselves to that. We've got a fairly busy day today, haven't we? We need to go and return something to Dick's Sporting Goods, and then, as mentioned last night, we need to get another case, and then we're going to spend most of the day at Universal, and then we're going to probably get a few bits and pieces from Disney Springs that we may have missed. Now we've got this other case. I mean, hopefully we can bring a little bit more back.
I mean, tomorrow morning we can always drop the cases at Bowser, well, not Bowser, at the luggage hold at our hotel, leave the colour and do Universal for a couple of hours in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I was going to suggest. I might as well utilise the last day, the tickets. But yes, we're going to make the most of this day, aren't we, dear? Right, so a little bit of time's passed. Sorry. So packing wise, we're pretty much almost there.
Done, yeah.
Like I said, we did end up getting a spare case. So that is, this part is full of food and drink and stuff, but we've got plenty of space in that side as well. So we decided whatever merch we get, because there is some merch from Universal we still want to get, is going to go in that case. In regards to, this is all the bags and cardboard and stuff. Madness, I know. And then case wise, here's the main one. So the two big ones we've weighed. We've got some scales from Walmart. They're pretty much bang on 23. The medium cases are around 15, 18. My hand luggage is going to be about 5. Emma's hand luggage is empty. Mine the mess. This is basically just odd bits and pieces. But
yeah, I think what we'll do is because we're going to go to Universal now.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie. I'm not sure how much of it we're going to get done.
Yeah. But we have decided we're going tomorrow.
Yeah, we are going to go tomorrow as well. We're going to eat at Hard Rock. Might be worth going and seeing if we can pre-book a table there.
Yeah.
And then we're going to run to Disney Springs. Go and get the literal like 2 or 3 bits we need. Yeah. And then we're going to come back. We're going to go over the room and like really give it a good tidy.
Yeah.
Make sure that really all the maids have got to get rid of from us is
minimal.
Those bags.
Yeah.
And then be it.
Yeah. Enjoy our last full day, but we have decided that we're going to go to Universal tomorrow morning. Might as well make the most of it. We haven't got to get to the airport for about 1:30, so we're probably going to leave
3 hours before. So
1:30.
We'll probably leave here about 1:30ish.
1:30ish. And then the scales that we bought, just in case anyone's interested, is we bought these like little dangly ones.
I hope we're reading it right, because if we're not, we're really overweight.
No, but we should be fine. Not bad actually. This was in the clearance section for like $4. Should have been 15, so can't go wrong with a little bargain.
No.
But yes, we are going to head to Universal now and enjoy some theme park time.
You don't remember it?
Shark in the water! Only 3 feet away. Stay still, don't move. Wouldn't that be a good idea? I don't think so. I move fast because Jaws is after you without the camera, but these 3 all got a camera too. Getting closer. Gotcha!
Chop, 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 chop. Hey, chop, 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 chop.
It's Monday night, it's Universal time, it's the holiday season, and thanks for stopping by.
Chop, 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 chop.
It's been a little while since we last filmed, purely because we've just been hanging out with some really amazing people. We got to meet Ellie and Mitchell. Got to meet those guys again. So that was really nice to hang out. We hung out with those guys for about 3.5 hours, just literally talking and just, you know, catching up and talking about each other's trips and things like that. So that was really nice. We shared a shark attack with them. They very kindly bought us one, which was really nice, so thank you guys. And then we met Tom and Jess from T&J Travels. We actually started watching those guys not long before we came out here, and we loved their vlog, so it was really nice to meet them. Again, we were standing talking to them for about half an hour, so that was nice. So we are decided to dine at Hard Rock tonight. It's one of our we normally tend to eat here near enough the end of the trip, so that's exactly what we're doing. We're just waiting for our table, so we thought we might as well, for our last meal, go out for some really nice food and really good atmosphere, so we're just waiting to be seated. Okay guys, back in the room.
Yep.
Last we caught you, we were having our dinner. Dinner was very nice.
It was really good. I had a couple of issues with mine. Didn't come out with the mushrooms and mushroom sauce it was meant to come out with. Which, to be honest, when the guy that we had as a server brought it out in a little pot, which is better for me anyway, because I'm not a saucy person, am I? Didn't like it. So luckily that was a good thing for me. And then I cut into my steak and it wasn't how I'd asked for it to be cut.
Well, you asked for it to well done, didn't you? And then it was pink. So
and it wasn't like, because I can deal with like a little bit pink, can't I? But this was how Ashley eats his steak, and I can't eat it like that.
Yeah.
So I had to send it back. And don't get me wrong, like our server, he was amazing.
He was brilliant. Yeah.
Like he was really, really good. Like I can't
fault him.
Yeah, he then came up to us and said, "Oh, I've taken 25% off your bill." And we said, you didn't have to do that. And he said, I did. And we said, it's not your fault.
No.
It's not your fault that's come out like that.
It's nice for him to do it.
It was, the food, like, don't get me wrong, the food was amazing.
Yeah.
Like, it was really good food. It always is. But to be honest,
there's a couple of issues, that was all.
We were going to have a dessert, and then it got to finish in the middle, and we both struggled, didn't we?
Yeah, I didn't eat all my ribs. I was absolutely stuffed. I mean, I would have brought them back, but obviously we go home tomorrow. There was no point. And then we went around City Walk, got a couple of bits. Then we went round the hotel shop, because what we like to do is get a couple of bits from merch from places that we've stayed. So I ended up getting like a mug and a coaster and things like that. But we're gonna chill out now. We're gonna have a beer before we go to bed, because
got like two to drink. So.
Yeah, but we have decided that we're gonna do park opening tomorrow. So we are going to head to Islands for 8, get Velocicoaster done. You're going to see how you feel tomorrow morning to see if we get that done.
I found that I can only really do it once a trip, because I love roller coasters, but it scares me because it lifts you out. You see, it does scare me, so I don't know if I'll be able to go on it, but I'll try.
We'll see how you feel tomorrow. And then checkout was supposed to be 11, but we went and asked at the desk, so we are now checking out at 12. They've given us an hour complimentary. And then we need to quickly head to Disney Springs, because we were supposed to do that tonight. We've got a couple of things we need to pick up from Disney Springs.
But by the time we'd finished eating at Hard Rock and got the bus,
it was too late.
10.
Yeah, it was too late.
So by the time we'd have then got to Disney Springs, we'd have been running around. So we're gonna, I think, probably put the cases in the car, go to Disney Springs,
and then head from Disney Springs to the airport. Flight's at 5:30 tomorrow, so we need to check in by 2:30. You have checked us in online already, haven't you? So all we've got to do is drop the bags off. We paid for the bags, so literally just got to drop them off. Obviously the case that we're currently packing still got a lot of room, so we'll be fine. Just getting it all back. But yes, our last full day is over. So
I'm very sad. I mean, I spoke to my mum the other day and said, like, I'm ready to come home. I want to see the animals, and you know, I like to be. I'm a very homey person, and I like being at home. But now it's actually here.
You don't want to go.
I don't want to go.
Yeah. All the more reason to come back though.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. Yes, so we're going to end the vlog here, guys, because we want to have a drink, and then obviously I need to edit this as well, and then obviously we've got to get up early. So we will catch you guys tomorrow for Travel Day Home, which will be the last mini vlog. Hope you've enjoyed the series, and obviously follow along for the one tomorrow. And then before we know it, the main vlogs will be coming out. So yeah, but in regards to that, guys, good night, and we shall see you tomorrow for Travel Day Home.